It's so nice out, y'all. It's 91 degrees. I might need to go swimming. Ooh, sorry. I just left the gym. Can you make it juicy for me? Oh, baby. Now I'm a passionate lover. Let me hear that shit. It what? What you talk about? It what? It what? What you say? Let me see. Can you make it juicy? Let me see if I can play that. Oh, my phone not even connected. The hell? Butt naked in the classroom on the teacher's school day. Dang. Where is my phone? Triple X ready, call him sick of how. Yeah. I'm on point, best believe I ain't no teaser. Dang, I can't listen to nothing. I gotta listen to the radio. No, that I am.
Here's the score big with T-Mobile.
Was y'all on TikTok with me working out?
Tell my brothers, take my prep.
It's so nice out. I'm about to go try a lace front on my hair, y'all. I'm about to go try to put this lace. I already washed my hair last night. So I'm gonna put my hair in some little braids real quick. I'm probably gonna put my hair in like 4 braids to the back. And then I'm gonna just put my little lace wig on. I'm about to try to really do a lace, y'all. I'm about to try. I think I got all the stuff. Ooh, I think I got all the stuff. If not, I won't be doing it today. I gotta get gas. I'm 5 miles to empty. I don't even listen to radio anyway because no weeds. I be trying to put on for my natural hair girlies. Like, I don't care what type of hair texture you got. Like, natural. You feel me? Somebody to put some braids in the side of my head then for my natural hair. I'm about to get my weave. I'm getting the weave done. I'm about to get the weave thing. I need somebody to braid my hair. Who can braid my hair today? This is my natural hair. Hey, Capri. I need somebody just to braid my natural hair one side, all small braids to the side. And I'm going to wear my natural curly hair on this too. Who can braid my hair? Come on and braid my hair. I'm about to go to the braid bar and ask them, can they do it? I just need some small braids, my natural hair to the side. I know. I'm at 5 miles to empty. He's about to be at 0. I can make it home. I don't feel like stopping. I'm about to go home and I'm about to go to the braid bar and go get my hair braided. Oh, I gotta go take Legend to get some shoes for school. Ah, I forgot. But while I'm at it, I can still get my hair braided. I might still go to that little. I'm gonna walk into the Africans or something. Ask how much they gonna charge me. I don't want no weave. I just want my real hair. Just my real hair. Just braid me all the way up to the left or to the right. I probably want it this way. Braid me up. Cause I'm about to get y'all call lemonade braids? No, they're the raindrop braids. Raindrop braid me. Give me the raindrop braids, boo. Give me the rain braids. Watch. I'm about to get my hair braided today. Ain't nothing to pump some gas. Y'all, I'm lazy. Believe it or not, y'all might think I'm gonna go get my hair braided. 2 motherfucking day. Oh, it's gonna be cute too with my natural hair. Braid me up to the side real quick and just. Yep. I'm about to go get my son. Or should I go get my hair braided right now? Before I go home. But I want to see my man. What if he not there? If he not there, if he not home, I'ma just go get my hair braided. Where can I go real quick? I'm about to go get my hair braided right now. That's what I'm about to do. It's a place down here I can go to. Should I go to the braid bar or should I go to the Africans? The Africans is probably faster. He at home? I don't think. He might be home. He not gonna want to go with me though. But he gotta go get. No, he had to go to the. He had to go to the. He had to go somewhere. He had an errand to run. I see these cops right here. Oh, there go my gas pump. My sunglasses. I don't got no sunglasses in here either. Man. They braid fast. I'm about to go to the Africans. I'm about to get my hair braided right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. I need gas. Don't go to them Africans. Or should I go down here? I'm going to go down here to this braid spot real quick and ask them if they can do it. I think it's a braid spot. You watch Murder Mommies? Let me see something real quick. Hold on, y'all. My phone not even searching the braid bar. I gotta get gas. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm trying to look for this place. I'm about to get gas. And then I'm gonna go get my hair braided. It shouldn't take long. Cause I'm only getting it halfway and I'm not getting it braided. I want all my rest of the hair to be down. I just want it like just braided all to the side with my natural hair down. That's it. Just curly. Curly and wavy. I'm trying to make it to this gas station. I just called them and they ain't answer. My man leaving on Thursday and I'm about to be fine for these next couple of days. What is it? Tuesday, Wednesday? Today, tomorrow, and Thursday before he leaves, I'm going to be fine. For my man. So he can miss me when he gone. So he can remember me looking fine when he left. So when he can be ready to get back to my fine ass. That's what you got to do, ladies. When your man about to leave, or you about to leave your man for a couple days, okay? You got to leave him fine. You got to leave him looking fine as fuck. Okay? I'm talking about bad. Bad to the motherfucking bone. Tight. I ain't drunk no liquor in a few days. I'm so proud of myself. No wine. I've been consistent on the workout. Skin clearing up. Hair getting longer. Booty getting toner. Yes, sirski. And it's nice out. I go to this gas station. I think it's a Braid Bar right here, if I'm not mistaken. I'm about to find out. Y'all know black coffee is a natural detox? Well, I wouldn't say natural, but it's like a... Because it's just black coffee. No sugar, no cream. That shit will clean you out. I don't think I put my SPF on today. My voice? You like my voice? It turned me on. You heard my voice? It turned you on. Y'all ain't nothing. Wait till you see me in it. Oh, is that what she said? It is natural, but also bad for blood pressure. For real. My hair, for real, is really light brown. Y'all see that? My hair is a virgin. I don't got no chemicals, no colors, no dyes, no nothing in my hair. This is natural hair, like all virgin hair. This is virgin hair. I can donate it. Y'all, I gotta get to this gas station like ASAP. I'm almost there. My shit is blinking 0. So if I get stopped on the side of the road, who gonna come get me? Who gonna come help me? Good thing I got AAA. Oh yeah, my hair is getting longer. Last year my hair was shoulder length. Now it's like down here. Cut it off and sell you a bundle. I cut so much of my hair off these last few years because my hair was damaged. Like, I'm talking about cut. I hope they can braid my hair. Come on, y'all. I gotta get to the gas station. Oh my God. I gotta go. Man, we could get there. Cause I'm running on fumes, boo. I'm running on fumes, boo-boo. I'm running on fumes. Woo! We're doing a dash. I'm doing a dash. I'm doing a dash. I gotta get over. Let me over. Thank ya, thank ya, thank ya. We just did a dash. Nope. Don't you do it. They tried to get me. They tried to get me. I made it. I made it. I made it. I made it. I gotta take this car off. Ooh, I'm dizzy. I'm nauseous. I'm nauseous. Ugh. I'm nauseous, y'all. We ain't about to put a lot. All right, we got gas. We got gas. Yeah. Y'all should have been behind me. Damn, what is you doing? The hell wrong with you? Like, she wasn't even looking back. That's why her car all fucking banged up. Banged and bruised. She backing up looking only one way. She only looking this way. She not looking who coming to your right. The hell? The hell? What's the good water called again? What, Raindrop? What you put in, $2? $20? $20? I am nauseous. No, I'm on my cycle. I think it's this Baja. It's tight as fuck. I ain't feel like filling up the tank. I don't even drive this car. I barely drive this car. My kids drive this car. They're not about to run. They drive my car, they eat me out of house and a home, and they about to run up on my gas? No. They drive the car, they put gas in it. How about that? I don't drive this car. I barely drive this car. I'm talking barely. Damn, bitches. I barely drive this car. I like Evian. Evian. It's called Evian. That's the best water. You're talking about Evian, right? Let me go see if this hair place. I think they moved it. No? I see it. I see it. Is it open? Come on, boo. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hopefully they can take me. I don't want nothing too much. I don't want nothing too much. I don't want nothing too much. Just want a little something, something. I just need a little. Hopefully they take walking. I just need something, y'all. I just want my natural hair there. I don't want no weave. I don't want full braids. Okay. That's it. That's all. Let's see. It say walk-ins welcome. Hopefully. Is they open? I forgot it's back to school. Aw, I forgot it's back to school. They busy. No, you're fine. I just want to get my natural hair. No weave. I just went halfway. Like the small braids, but halfway. Like the side, like how they do the lemonades, but halfway. So my hair, my real hair can be out. I want my natural hair out. That's cool. Okay.
I'm about to call them and see what it is. She said that you called her on that before, and she just sat down and got her. Yeah, I got her. I took her. You took her? And you got her name here. So I just... Oh, TTK? Yeah. Okay. So what you ready? What you get?
I just want to have my natural hair with like how they do the lemonade braids, but I want my natural hair out.
Okay. You want to grab her? You got an inspiration picture?